few weeks ago, I was supposed to make Dalgona coffee. But then, since we're in quarantine, I realized we had very limited ingredients here at home, so we had to work with what we had. My first try was to make it using ground coffee beans. Then, second time was to make it using 3-in-1. But hindi talaga nag-work out na maayos. So now, kakarating lang ng in-order naming instant coffee. This will be my third attempt at making vegan Dalgona coffee. Vegan because I'll be using almond milk. Kasi umiiwas ako, hindi ako masyado pwede ng dairy. I hope this will be successful this time. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click the red button below. Good thing na nag-froth na siya this time. Although, na-realize ko sobrang dami ko palang nagawa kasi akala ko 1 tablespoon to. So, naramihan. Pwede na yung 2 tablespoon. Ang nagawa ko 4. Ito lang yung available nila, unsweetened vanilla. Wala silang original ngayon. So, sana hindi siya ganun katamis. Ano kayang lasa nito? Mapait siya na matamis. Shucks, moment of truth. So, ito na yung Dalgona coffee natin. Hindi naman siya matamis pa kasi hindi ko pa masyado hinalo eh. Pero, kung gusto mo pa siyang patamisin, so you can adjust kung gaano karami yung ilalagay mong whipped coffee. But nalalasahan ko pa talaga strongly yung almond milk. It's not bad. So, ngayon ang problema ko na lang is anong gagawin ko sa extra whipped coffee na nagawa ko. And try ko to patikim kay hubby. Sana magustuhan niya.
Kulang ng coffee.
Kulang ng coffee. Dagdagan ko. Take 3.2 with added coffee. I'm happy. I think I've found a quarantine drink na pwede kong mainom. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your coffee at home.